Over the last 2 days, I've made about $120,000 in the stock market post the Trump win. So I banked those gains and I stuck them in my bank account and I said to myself, okay, let me celebrate. How did I celebrate? I celebrated by going on a 5K run. That was my celebration. I mean, also it was a Thursday, so I'm not exactly gonna go and get fucked up at the club. Although you can do in Miami, you can do that every night of the week. But instead of me going out there and popping bottles and celebrating and being like, yeah, I made money, let's get the bitches, let's do a fat party, oh, let's get drunk as hell. Kind of bored of those celebrations. I mean, I've won on many occasions in my life and I don't feel like I need to celebrate by popping bottles of champagne and getting a bunch of random bitches on the table that I could sleep with. So instead, I'm like, do you know how I'm gonna celebrate? I was so pumped this morning that I decided to go for a 5K run. That was my celebration. The dopamine that I received from a 5K run, how I felt after that run, and for the hour or two after that run, and during, was second to none. I literally felt so close to God during that time and was so thankful to God for helping me, for giving me the right mindset to be able to bank my profits, bank my gains, to be able to make money, to be healthy. And I just had this weird spiritual, oh, that's quite funny. I said spiritual and then I literally saw the word there, spirit. I'm seeing some weird synchronicities in my life at the moment. I don't know. Amazing things are happening. Don't ask. It's God. It's not me. I've done none of this. So I went on that run and I felt so good and I felt so close to God and I felt so grateful. And I really am maturing as a man, and I think this is where every man needs to be. When you win, when you get things right, be thankful, be grateful, stay humble, and keep up your habits. Keep doing what you need to do to remain positive and strong as a man. Just stay humble. I used to celebrate like a maniac. There was one time I came to Miami and I spent $35,000 in a month. I mean, obviously people spend that in one night sometimes, but that was a lot of money to me at the time. I spent $35,000 in 1 month partying every single night because business was going well. At the time I was making a couple of $100,000 a month off my digital marketing agency. And so I went ballistic in Miami and went out every night, and it was bottles and it was drugs and it was different girls and it was tables. And it was definitely fun and a memorable experience. But if you ask me now, would I do the same thing and how would I celebrate? I would rather celebrate by putting my beautiful friends in one room, having a lovely meal that we all cook together, and just having a wholesome experience. That's my celebration now. My celebration is talking to my family and sharing the joy and the love with them. But ultimately, really the point of this video is not to boast about my life and how I'm winning, but is to say that you must remain strong and maintain your habits. I'm gonna work out today. I went for a 5K run. I'm gonna go sit by the pool. I'm still gonna train. I'm not gonna miss a day of training. I need to pump some weights today. I'm gonna maintain my habits because I know that this will help me sustain a good life for the long term. This is gonna be a good, long, sustainable life. I don't just wanna win one day or 1 month or 1 year. I wanna win during my whole entire life. And the way I do that, and I've met many men over the past year, in fact, that I admire for what they do. Justin Waller, Andrew Tate, Tristan Tate. I met both of those guys in Romania. I met Justin Waller here, who connected me to the Tate brothers in Romania. And I'll do a video actually about how I met the Tate brothers and what my general kind of, how I felt meeting them and their general persona. I do hope to do a podcast with them at some point. But ultimately meeting these men inspired me to keep going, keep working out, keep trying to make money, keep trying to start successful businesses, keep trying to find that golden woman that's out there somewhere for you, keep making connections, just keep going. The essence of masculinity is to keep going. Do not give up. Winston Churchill said, when you're going through hell, keep going. I'm not quite going through hell right now, but I have been through very tough times, and the thing that kept me going was my habits. Okay, my habits kept me going, working out, going to the gym, getting in good shape. Look at the size of my arm. This ain't no joke, boy. Look at that thing, right? Bam, I've been training every day. Of course I'm gonna train every day. Why not? What else am I gonna do? Sniff cocaine, smoke weed? What am I gonna do? Go out every night, get obliterated around a bunch of random bitches? Who cares? I've done all of that. It's boring. She's boring. You've got nothing to talk about. What do I do? Drink more and wake up and feel terrible the next day? No. When men like me become accomplished, what we do is we maintain our values, we maintain our habits, okay? Health, fitness, I still eat really well. I'm not gonna celebrate by going to some fancy restaurant in Miami tonight. No, I'm gonna cook a lovely, healthy meal at home. Kale and tilapia and some brown rice. That's what I'm eating tonight, because I need to maintain my mind, I need to maintain my focus, I wanna stay close to God, and I want to keep winning. Okay, so try to maintain your habits. I know it's not easy. Obviously, some of you are making good money and most of you are not, and that's okay. But as long as you maintain your healthy habits, my friends, I met a subscriber of mine in Romania 2-3 months ago, and I did a video about this. And what I loved about this guy is he was working 2 jobs and he was in great shape and he was working hard for his money. He worked at a logistical company, but he also worked as a personal trainer, and he was in such good shape. And I was so proud of that kind of guy, because these Romanian people, they don't earn much money. They don't earn 5,000 euros a month. The guy's probably earning 2,500 euros a month, but he's got a second job, which is being a PT, and he's training hard, and he looks in good shape, and he found the woman, he found his girlfriend because he's confident, because he feels good, because he's in shape, because he's attractive. My brothers, maintain your habits for a lifetime to live a beautiful life over the long term. Peace out.